SPRO. Sale distribution, basic function, credit management. Okay, credit management, risk management, and credit management. Define forms of it? No. Per item category. No, it's not here. I guess it's changed. Anyways, logistics, generalized logistics. Okay. Tax and goods movement, India. Uh, business transactions, outgoing excise invoices. Now, whenever your goods are moved, of course, you will send invoice to the customer with details for additional taxation, freight, billing. Okay, and that has to be assigned. Assigned billing types to delivery types. So, what kind of delivery type it is? Either it is courier, either it is uh, inland, or either it is by air, express. So your delivery types are basically attached with billing types. Okay. Maintain default excise groups and series groups. So if you have maintained a channel, okay, as per your sales or distribution channel and shipping points, if there is basically a shipper, a regular shipper, you can make a group, okay, and under that, of course, based on the conditionalities, you can assign those shipping conditions, excise taxation conditions. Okay. Okay. Exports under excise regulations. Exports ARE1 procedure. Now, this is basically, it controls how ARE documents. These actually these settings actually are applying to exports. So you can actually claim the rebates. Okay. The series group was also used for excise group. So your rebate claims will be made official through the system. Okay, export period, rebate period. Your export and rebate periods can be different, but it can also match as well as per your requirement. Fast credit, output type, of course, you want it to be email to that, inland or um, revenue department. Okay, this interest rate will, of course, will be levied on the customer. Okay, so you can actually define your rebate movements from here. You can also ARE3 procedure, you can also configure that as well. Printouts of now you can maintain the reporting formats. Your departments will actually need, export department will need to process the rebates. Okay. Like for example, material label, mail title and text. You can add the format, the coding, everything. Routines, processing routines can be added over here to make that document legalized. Okay. I guess we are almost done with SD configuration. What remains back is now the front end. The front end. Okay. Now front end will of course will mean we will make some specific documents, logistics, sales and distribution. Master data, we need a customer, business partner. Okay. A customer, create VD01, but it will take us to BP, that is business partner. It says transaction VD01 is obsolete. Continue. Okay. First, we'll make a generalized. Okay. DT. Was our account group for customers, business partner, DT grouping, customer DT72 grouping. Okay. And let's say it's okay. AE 3595 Abu Dhabi. Language is English. Save. Business partner 4717 is created. Switch between display and change. And now we want FI customer standard. Company code BT 72 6100 local customers. Sort key 031 for customers. Okay. Rest we don't need any more details. Save. Okay. Now we'll make SD customer. SD. FI SD customer standard. Now general data will become sales and distribution. Sales and distribution. And it will ask for the distribution channel, that is DD, donuts, division. Now every SD customer will be segmented as per your distribution and division. Okay. So it will help you to keep your customers specific to your divisions and distribution channel. Okay. Sales office, sales group. We have already made sales group. Okay. Sales district, sales office is also done. So let's save it. The 4717 is your customer. Let's go and do a little document posting. Okay. Master data is done. We can also use some conditions. Okay. But we'll do that later. Right now, we'll just go into inquiry, EA11. We need a material. We'll make a material later on. Inquiry type. No possible entries. We will have to configure inquiry types. We'll do that in the next lecture. Thank you very much.